Well, here's a good one. This one is asking about wastage. Now, wastage I do see coming up a lot, calculating the percentage even of waste that is resulting from some pieces being cut. So let's look at the key information here. We are told that we have 12 steps of exactly 275 millimeters will be cut from one piece of material, which is 3.6 meters in length. Now notice they've been naughty there. They've given us two different units of measurement. So what is the percentage of waste material after cutting the steps? Let's go through this step by step. The first thing that I would do is work out what is the total length of material used for these. So 12 times 275. But because we're working in meters is the final answer, I'm actually going to convert this 275 into meters. So we're going to move the decimal place to make that in meters instead. Now there's 1,000 millimeters in a meter. So you can think 1,000 like that equals 1 meter. In the same way that 100 centimeters equals a meter, because a centimeter is means 100 in French, and then there's 100 millimeters in 1 centimeter. So yeah, we have 1,000. Okay, so converting this into meters will mean that that is actually 12 multiplied by 0.275 meters. Now that gives us 3.3 meters. 1 mark. Step 2. I wonder if you can figure out what to do next. That's the amount that we're using, and that's the amount that we have. So we need to subtract A from B. Sorry, other way around. We need to subtract B from A. So here we go. 3.3. Told you I was bad at maths, didn't I? Goodness me. 3.6 minus 3.3 equals 0.3 meters. Okay, so now what we need to do is to turn this into a percentage. But the good news is, out of 3 marks, we've already got 2. So with just 1 mark left. So here we are. Let's figure this out then. So we need to do 0.3, which is our remainder. We're going to divide that by the original length, the whole lot, because we've got to find out what percentage is 0.3 out of the whole length of 3.6. So we've got to do that first, and then you can multiply that by 100. And that will give you 8.33. Didn't write that very well, did I? 8.33 meters. Not meters, percent. There we go. Nearly lost my mark there. And that is correct because that falls into the line of 2 decimal places. We got 2 decimal places there. All right, so there we are. That's typically how percentages would be presented in the exam.